How to fix deleted photos reappearing in gallery, easy solutions. Have you deleted photos from your phone, but they keep coming back? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem step by step. First, check your phone's trash or recently deleted folder. Most smartphones keep deleted photos here for 30 days before removing them permanently. For Android, Google Photos. Open Google Photos. Tap Library, Trash. Select the photos and tap Delete permanently. Sometimes, cloud backup services like Google Photos or iCloud restore deleted photos automatically. Let's turn off sync to prevent this. Open Google Photos. Tap your profile picture. Go to Photos Settings, Backup and Sync. Turn Backup and Sync off. Now, delete the photos again and check if they come back. If you're using an SD card, deleted photos might reappear because of a storage error. Remove the SD card and reinsert it. Small blue diamond format the SD card. Warning, warning, this will erase all data. Go to Settings, Storage. Select SD card format. This should stop deleted photos from showing again. Speaking ahead, your phone might be showing old cached images. Let's clear the cache to refresh your gallery. Small blue diamond for Android. Open Settings. Go to Apps Gallery or Photos app. Tap Storage and Cache, clear cache. Small blue diamond for iPhone. Restart your iPhone to refresh the storage. Now check your gallery. The problem should be fixed. That's it. Now you know how to fix deleted photos reappearing in your gallery. If this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.